Bruh. But that two-stroke oil, is it the same weight or that's a different?
Two-stroke oil, that's the premix.
Oh, okay. I was sure like I didn't know this time. Yeah, had to get the little oil. You know what I'm saying? Got to drop it in. We breaking them in and out. So shit, you gotta drop that oil when you're breaking them in, cause it's gonna shed all the little metal shavings from your different parts in there and all that. So a little cooling up in here. I'm all out of engine ice, so just gonna go ahead and go with what I know for now. Wow. Alright, y'all, so it's another road trip. We out of here. She had to bring the bikes in the dirty kitchen. I don't trust y'all, folks. The babies off. Drop the babies off to their grandma. The YZ down. All I need y'all water pump, so we find out my damn water pump is just too small, that's all.
Yeah.
So I just gotta get the other water pump then.
We gonna get the
Everything with him good.
water pump.
That's right, we're gonna get the big water pump.
No, she didn't say water park.
Water pump for the dirtbag girl.
No. Water pump for kids.
Now you gonna keep it in the car with you, so she can keep you company. Huh?
You look like a brick.
Man, I'm on the way, bro. Say that, man. We leave in the city, y'all. We leave in Atlanta. Who city this is? When I come down this highway 12 o'clocking, I'm gonna make sure I shoot that thing right here. It's coming. Stay tuned. Look at him about to kill himself. Get your man. Get your mans out here about to go to prison. These dabber heads, they can't ride like this man coming down the wrong way.
I'm throwing cash up. She picking it up off the floor tonight. I got her mad now. I'm riding the boot with the bottles of Sprite. All that ass on you, it got me finna break a check. Get it back, no sweat. All you gotta do is arch your back. Get low, go fast. Big boo, little booty don't matter. 3 bottles come meet me in the field. Big rat, no caps over here. I'ma pull this hand. Roll when your blunt get.
Bruh, y'all can't tell me that ain't the hotel from GTA 5. When you go do that mission, and you gotta go take out the gang in that hotel, and it's shaped like a U will go around the other side. Yeah, that's it. See the field over there and everything, bruh. for the 8-hour trip. We have took the trip, y'all. We've made it. My lips still ain't went down, but we here.
Go see mama.
Kingsley, you gonna say hi?
Go see mama.
So we done got him here with the baby puppies and the babies. Baby in here. She's like, I don't know him. Yeah, she's like, excuse me, who is him?
I know, you so shy. It's okay.
So it's all good. You like them puppies, girl? Yeah, oh, no, no, oh, no, This gonna be my room for the night. You know what I'm saying? Take your boys on board. This how you get on that tour bus. Nah. Put your fridge in there. Dish in there. Stove in there. You know that. Bed up there. Patio out there. Big old comfy couch. Pick out the window out there, you know. The TV up there. Shower. All that good stuff, you know. Yeah, man. The shower in there. You know. Yeah, man. Outdoor living. When I start bringing that bike life all across the country, I'm gonna be pulling up with 5 or 6 different bikes on the back and one of these. So, yeah, man, it's gonna be no worries, no issues. I need y'all to subscribe, like, and follow though, so I can get there. You dig? Yes, sir, Ski. See what's going on, man. Today mission, man, we on the side-by-side Polaris RZR 900. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Got the grab bar over there. We got Bluetooth. We got the radio. Yeah, man. Yeah. It's about to go down today. And today is Mother's Day. So shout out all the beautiful mothers out there. Shout out all the moms who doing the job. All the mommies who holding it down out here for the kids, for the whole families. Shout out the grandmamas who stepped up and made these mamas to be the mamas who they y'all. You know what I'm saying? Shout out all y'all. Shout out the fathers that's even mamas. You know what I'm saying? Shout out y'all. Happy Father's Mama's Day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, today is Mother's Day. So we're gonna go ahead and give y'all a little something different from the channel. Y'all used to the YZ. Today we're gonna play with a little something different today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm out in Arkansas. I'm waiting for the lady to get here. You know what I'm saying? She said she wanna ride with me. So when she get back, we're gonna hop in this thing jack and we're gonna goddamn, you know, 4-wheel drive it, 2-wheel drive it, low-wheel drive it, you know, all that. Look at her. She trying to hook the Bluetooth up. So y'all see we in here? Yes, sir. in the,
all the cash back
can you give me out the cheese, man, please?
First year.
Please give me out poison ivy, damn it. Yeah, damn, thank you.
Tax credit.
Went from fun to hell. She wanted to, I don't know. Bruh. Spider! Okay. Oh. Every time you come off here, you come off the gas. Got that in the throttle anymore. I'm driving my shit.
Like the big one.
I mean, that's empty. That thing got 2 hours and 47 minutes. Rocky in this part. Wow, the big old rock.
I bet that hurt.
Yeah, it got it. But when I ride my dirt bike, I got I've been turning around right here. I had jumped up there and I was like, oh, what's up, puppy? Doggy up here hanging out.
We got some Suzuki motorcycles.
What kind you want? Like dirt bike or street bike?
Street bike.
Suzuki 600.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
It's like this. On a dirt bike, motorcycle.
Yeah.
So you want something you can learn. It'd be easy to, you know, adjust the gears. You got pull it all the way up. You're not coming through enough and just be there. See you at the creek.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, watch the hole, baby. Come over here closer.
You're watch for these because you like to do like this. 1, and curl. 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that? Ah! Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Good trails over here, y'all.
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.